Hey everybody, Thomas here. I'm sure the title of this video piqued your interest. I'm not taking on any more jobs from the public currently. As many of you know, and if you've been at the sawmill shows, you'll know, I'm currently in the Navy and we move around a whole lot. So I've been fortunate enough to have 2 duty rotations here down the Gulf Coast, and it's been phenomenal. Our next duty location, I'm probably going to have a thicker jacket on. This is just a shirt, but I'll have to have jackets on by this time of year because we're moving to Wisconsin next. I'm really looking forward to moving to Wisconsin. There's a lot of things I want to do. Ice fishing is one of them. Really being able to play out in the snow. Probably going to get tired of the snow and the frigid cold weather up there, but I think it'll be a good change for us, and it's where the Navy sent me up to. If you don't know, there are some shipyards up there and some naval installations, but really up there in Marinette. I'll be up there in the Marinette region, hopefully moving to the Peshtigo area or something like that, or maybe Crivets. There's some really cool countryside up there I'm really looking forward to. But prior to us moving up there, I have to get a lot of things done. If you know, I have my woodworking shop, which has been kind of on hold because first off, during the middle of summer, it's just so blazing hot down here, I couldn't get a whole lot done. It's been going on for just over a year and say 3 months now, so it's nearly done. Hopefully get power to that, but I've got to get everything in the house here ready to sell. We're hoping to sell in the springtime, and I'll move my wife and kids up to our place up in Tennessee, and then I'll follow behind them afterwards. But I won't detach here until the summertime. But I'm going to let the kids enjoy the greatest state in the world for a little bit before we go to Wisconsin. They're going to be up in Tennessee at our place up there. So yes, I'm not taking any more orders from the customers in the local area. However, I am still cutting unique stuff. Like the video I just shot last night where we're cutting black walnut. So yes, you still will see interesting content, hopefully you consider it interesting, of stuff I'm cutting. I'll be cutting unique stuff until I leave from here. My mill will stay with me. I actually have someone that was asking me, hey, when you sell the property, what's the price for the property and the mill? I'm like, the mill's not selling. I love my mill. I love my mills. I got multiples now. We got 4. But yeah, we're gonna keep the channel still going. I also have to post some videos of some interesting stuff that maybe not all people think will be interesting. I've got a video which I've had edited for a while now. We did a dove hunt in the beginning of September. I gotta post that video. It probably won't pique everyone's interest, but I want to post it so my friends can see it, because they also asked me, hey, how do you cook this? So I show really no hunting because I can't film and hunt at the same time, but I show kind of how to process a little dove and everything and how to cook it up. We also have a last year's deer season video. I probably should get out before this deer season, which has already started, but I haven't gone deer hunting yet, so there's still hope there. So I've got a few videos I'm going to be posting here shortly. You'll see some hunting stuff and whatever, but I just want to get it out there for some friends and family so they can see that. But again, I enjoy the heck out of this. I enjoy the sawmill shows, and I enjoy the channel and cutting and hearing, reading your comments below and everything. So once I finish this order here, this is some 4x6 posts by 18 foot. I've got a few other little things. I got like 2 other little jobs after that, and I'm done. No more. I mean, I'm not taking any more on from the public. I just have to finish the jobs I currently have. The wood market was great in 2020, and it's still good now. But if you are looking at a sawmill and what to cut right now, check the local price for 1x4s in your area. 1x4s are still extremely expensive, and if you have 1x4s that you can cut up and everything, look for people who install metal roofs on houses. They will buy every 1x4 that you can cut. I'm just putting it out there for other sawyers out there. Check that market. There's quite a few people looking for 1x4s right now. Other than that, we're going to go ahead and throw on something else on this video. I'll keep it interesting. Maybe do a little bit of time lapse, and I'll finish up with something hopefully interesting. So stay tuned. Much more to come. folks, last night I only got 2 of these done. We had someone come over yesterday, so really couldn't do any more shooting. So it's next morning. But what I'm going to do, I've got 8 more of these to knock out. My buddy Neil already has 20 of these cut up, and we'll get this job done and out of here. My next big thing is I'm going to go through and organize and remove any old logs that I have and get a few things done. And also, we've got a craft fair coming up. So I think it's 13 November. I think I initially said 14 November, but 13 November in Lucedale is going to be the Gingham Tree Festival. I have like 2 charcuterie boards ready, and that's about it. So I'm going to work today after I clean up some stuff around here, get some stuff burning. I'm going to start working on some of those, and I'll do a video of those again because it's been a while since I did a video on how to make the charcuterie boards, how the hell you say it. Making those, steak cutouts and stuff like that. I just got to get my inventory up. I've got a week to knock it out, so I need to get on it. So again, hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and if you have any questions or comments, please let us know. Thanks.